Hello, I'm Chris from Transition Sterling, and I'm here to showcase a couple of our star items, extremely popular items. We have the Vigo fruit crusher or fruit press, and the fruit crusher here. And today we're going to be juicing some wonderful apples that we have been given, and we'll show you how all this works. So the first thing that you need to do is chop the apples. It's okay just to quarter them like this because the fruit crusher will do most of the work. Just chop them into quarters, throw them in whole. No need to core them, no need to peel them. So now we've got this 25 litre bucket almost full. So that was one bag for life worth of apples, and that's how many apples you get. So we're talking around about 18 litres or so of apple. So the next thing to do is to put that into this bag. So now we've got the apples filled into the bag there. Next thing to do is to close that bag up a little bit. We'll put this block underneath. So we moved to a flat area because it seemed like that was better for the angle of the press there. So once the bag's in, we've got the block on the top. Then we want to take this bit. You might find that another extra block of wood helps a little bit. That goes into here, and then that clips on there. Put the pin in. And then the handle into there. Once you've finished juicing the apples and put them into the bottles, it's a good idea to pasteurize them. This kills off any of the bacteria that could cause harm, including E. coli. The bottles are put into the pasteurizer, which is then filled with water and heated to 70 degrees C for 20 minutes. And now the most important bit. As I said at the outset, the fruit press and fruit crusher can be quite difficult to get hold of because it's such a popular item. So, what do you do with all these apples that you've got left over if you don't want to juice all of them? This is what I've got left. Now, most of them are really good. Don't be worried about blemishes like this. They're absolutely fine. We've been conditioned by the supermarkets to only take perfect fruit, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with that or that one. What you can do is wrap them in paper. I've got brown paper here. Newspaper works as well, but I don't really like the idea of having ink next to my fruit from newspaper. I'm going to wrap them all in a piece of paper like that. So these are all wrapped up now. Well, these ones, or a lot of these ones, are actually going to go to Sterling Community Food. I might as well spread the love. So these will just go into this canvas bag here. And like I say, that paper, if one of them goes bad, means that they all don't spoil. And then of course you can use that paper year over year over year. And then these can go in a nice cool place, dark, like in a loft or I guess in an airing cupboard, and they will happily live most of the winter in there. So you can keep your fruit and safe all winter round. But of course they're not going to last very long now.